place the architectural and structural model. See, this is the architecture plan. Okay, this is the architectural plan. So you can find out the levels 0, 1, 2, and ceiling plan also I create. So here you cannot able to find any columns because this is a architecture. So architecture, we are not consider about most detailed the column details. But the structural, we have to provide the all column details, slab and everything you have to provide. So this is a sample drawing. Here, first of all, I just create one section. See, now you can able to find out the ceiling and each and everything. You can able to find out these things. Now I go back to the level plans. So here levels it's available, three levels available. So I just go to select and to select the level first. So I just move it right. So these are the levels I created, right? So this is an architectural plan. Now, how we can able to place the structural columns in the same drawings. Here you can able to find out the structural plans. You can able to find out. See here you can find out the level two. So level two is structural level itself. But in this step, in the structural, here you can able to find out the columns. Okay. This is a way you can generally you can able to apply. But see now you have the structural separate plan. How you can able to put the columns or slab or something in the same level. Okay. Right. So first of all, I just go to section again because mm, this is our floor plan. This is our floor. Here you can identify the thickness of floors. I just put it because structure is always in concrete. So because the structure always in the slab, so I just put it in slab and okay, just put it 150. So right. Okay. Now I just save this one. Go to save the project. Just save it ARC 001 and just save it. Now I can close this one. I just go to select new and go to structural. Better to go to select the structural matrix template. So structural matrix output. See now here you have to link the project to here architecture project. You should link to here. So go to insert link. I can choose the ARC one. The position you have to get it. So center to center. So this is your uh, architecture plan. So you can go for the level one. So you can find out here. This is already linked file, so we cannot able to change anything. But this is I will go to. So these are the things available in the structural materials. You can able to get the structural drawing is showing like these parts, but you can go for the level one or this one. So here I will choose the architectural plan. I will choose a view template, architectural template. Now we are in, but this is, you can go to select the 3D and you can go for the coordinations. Otherwise, you can go to the 3D. Here you can apply the coordination view and you can go for the shaded. See, this is our architectural model. So here you can go to select the structure tab. Here you can able to find out the columns. So I just take this column, go to duplicate. I rename this one 200 by 600. And here you have to put it 200 by 600. Okay, right. Now this is your column. Now you can able to place the column, which area you need. So for example, but here you have to find out uh, the height level 1 or height level 2. Now you can able to put it like this. Okay, you just place here. Okay. After that, go to the modify and take AL command. Now you can put it. And here also you can take and put it here. I think this our wall should be wall thickness 215. So I just take this one to change it to 15 because this plaster and everything 215. Okay, it's now visible. Now you can able to select the AL and you can fix it. So, okay. Now you go to select the 3D and go to visibility graphics and go to link and remove the link. See, now you can able to find out the column. So otherwise you can go here, you go to select the Revit link and here you can go for the discipline. You can able to check it from structural. See, this is your column. This is your column. So now you can able to select this one. So this is your column. This is column up to the C level 2. So because these two levels in the structural, okay, these two levels in the structural. So so you can go to AL and click this architectural level and drag it. So now your column place. Okay. You already placed the column. So again, if you want, you can go to copy and take this point, copy somewhere here. So it's created. So otherwise, straight away you can go to the structural column. It's already there. So you can put it in the place one, two, one, two, three, four, six. So here, so you can, if you want, you can place it here also. This is sample model. So it depends. Okay. Now you can check it in the 3D. It's, it's okay. If you want to select the discipline and go to the coordination, so it's the columns. So you just select the column, or you can go to VV and remove the architecture. So this is your columns. Go to VV, attach the architecture, go to the structural template. Now you can find out the certificates. So I hope you can understand how to uh, create the architecture and structural drawing, or how we can able to link the drawing to place the columns or slab or anything. So first of all, you have to link the file. After that, you can able to